All right, how's it going, you two? Back out with the Traxxas Rustler. Y'all know I'm going for the challenge, so I'm gonna show y'all my setup. This is a 3S battery, the S Sidewinder 4, and 3800 kV motor in there. Hopefully y'all see that in there right there. Make sure zoom in if y'all need to, but that's a 3800. Can't show my gearing. That's a no-no. We're trying to hit 70 back to back. So that is what we're going for. I showed y'all the setup. Gotta turn it on, and then we're gonna zero out the GPS and get these 2 runs in. Hopefully I hit these 70 back to back. Kind of tricky. Plus my GPS been acting up. I don't know what's up with that thing, man. Should record when it want to. Right now it's recording, so. Alright, y'all. We zeroed out. GPS started. It's gonna be my first run to the Rayluna 70 mile per hour challenge. Hold on, sorry about that, guys. I got my throttle in reverse. Alright. Had to warm up the tires a little bit. Got a car coming behind me. Let's get over there in the corner. I'm using a stock Spectrum DX2E remote. I'm not trying to go that far. Shout out to UDRC, Amazing RC. They hit me up about the Rustler challenge so far. I know it's a few other people. I'm kind of focused right now. I can't remember the names. But let's break it down. Really, y'all ugly on me there. I don't think I hit 70 that way. I'm gonna keep it honest. I ain't even get it to full like that. Ooh, I hit 76, baby. Yeah. Bring the car back over there and start again. Let's try that again. 3S. I'll show y'all the system again. So when I first did this challenge, I did 3 runs. You're supposed to do 2, but I did the 3rd one just for good faith. But we're gonna zero it back out. Timer started. This is the second speed run for the challenge. I got a car coming that way. Alright guys, GPS zeroed out. This timer's working. I think I got 2 cars coming. I'm sorry about the long video, y'all. If I did something wrong in this video, I'll definitely do it again. I ain't got no problems with being, you know, trying this all over again. That's what it's all about. I'm out here for the fun of it. This ain't no competition, it's a challenge. All right, y'all, here we come. Let's get it. Get it, Rusty. Get it, Rusty. I don't know, man. I ain't get up to as much as I did before. I might not have hit 70 that time. But if I didn't, I'ma still post a video, man, just to show y'all. It ain't gonna happen on your first try. It ain't gonna happen on your first try. 74, I did it. I did that. Let me bring the car back to where I came from. Sorry about that, y'all. Excited. All right, so I did it twice. I hit 74 that run. Yeah, hopefully y'all seeing that. I'm gonna show y'all the same setup, no tricks in this video. 3S battery, 3S wire, SW4 with the 3800 kV. Y'all know it's in there, so. And like I said, just for good faith, I'm gonna do it again. Just for good faith, y'all. That boy flying, I ain't gonna lie to you. Man, came by, scared me, boy. Man, I hope I get some of the OGs back in this challenge too. If I don't hit it now, it's all good. But that's what we gonna do. So GPS zeroed out, timer started. Let's try this one more time, y'all. I got a car coming down there. Once he clear, we're gonna do it again. Video over, y'all don't really have to sit here. I just seen it say weak signal, so I hope my GPS records. But y'all can end the video if y'all want. This just for, it's a free run, just for me. I'm gonna hit it again. Trying to see if this car's coming down. Oh, look at that thing over there. It look like a, that don't even look like a turkey. It look like a, I forgot what it's called, but I ain't hit a peacock. It look like a peacock. We got a slow driver here, y'all. We got a slow driver here, y'all. Got another car coming in.
No battery?
Huh?
Is that battery or gas?
Battery.
Oh, I got one too.
I'm about to do a speed run. You want to come on this side? Want to come on this side of the road? Yeah, I seen him. Oh, it is a turkey. All right. All right, y'all, let's do it. Oh, we got a car coming. We coming down right after him. No, I ain't stressing it.
I love this shit. You have no idea.
Yeah, for sure.
You have it.
Now you good. All right, guys, coming down. Woo! I could not get into it. It did 70.9. Good thing I hit that 70 before. I hit 70.